Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Smart Educational Hub. Not only does a banana taste great, but it also makes for an excellent post-gym snack. Rich in nutrients, they help to fuel and restore the body after the workout. Let's explore why eating a banana after exercise is so beneficial for our health and fitness. Number 1. Replenishes glycogen. After intense exercise, your muscles lose glycogen, which is their primary source of energy. Bananas are rich carbohydrates, helping to quickly restore glycogen levels and give your body the fuel it needs for recovery. Number 2. Boost potassium levels. Bananas are high in potassium, an essential electrolyte that gets depleted through sweat during exercise. Eating a banana helps replenish potassium levels, preventing muscle cramps and promoting proper muscle function. Number 3. Provide quick energy. Bananas are a source of simple sugars such as glucose, fructose, and sucrose that give the body an almost instantaneous supply of energy. This helps your body recover and retrain from fatigue after workout since the muscle repair process is assisted. Number 4. Supports muscle repair. The protein content in banana is modest but provides the amino acids needed for muscle recovery. Having a banana after your workout can support muscle repair and growth, especially if combined with a source of protein such as yogurt or a protein shake. Number 5. Helps with hydration. Bananas contain water and are also a good source of electrolytes, such as potassium and magnesium. This will help to replace hydration levels after working out and keep you balanced without becoming dehydrated. Number 6. Promotes healthy digestion. Bananas are rich in dietary fiber that supports digestion and gut health. They promote the normal functioning of bowel movements and ensure your digestive system works well after a workout. Number 7. Improves mood and reduces stress. Bananas have tryptophan, which is converted into serotonin, the feel good hormone, thereby possibly alleviating post workout stress and creating feelings of well being after a grueling session in the gym. Number 8 helps in weight management. The fiber in bananas makes you feel fuller for longer and hence prevents you from overeating when you get hunger pangs. In that regard, bananas are an excellent option for a post workout meal if you want your diet to remain on track with your weight management objectives. So, next time after your workout, remember to grab a banana for quick energy, faster recovery, and better nutrition. Stay healthy, stay active, and keep learning with us. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.